Codex just gained Appshots. Anthropic is reportedly looking at Microsoft's Maia 200 chips, and Claude Code wants to make token usage less mysterious. Here are today's 6 AI stories, in order. Here are today's main AI topics at a glance. OpenAI has rolled out a major update to Codex that streamlines how developers interact with their workspace. Appshots lets Mac users attach a screenshot of their active window along with text context by simply double-tapping the command key. For longer-running workflows, the /goal command has now graduated to general availability. Codex's computer use feature also gains a locked use mode, allowing you to safely control a Mac from your phone while the computer itself remains locked. Business teams can now share custom plugins across their entire organization, making it much easier to scale internal workflows. Anthropic is reportedly in early-stage talks with Microsoft to use its Maia 200 AI chips. No final commitment has been reported yet, but the discussions point to Anthropic renting Maia 200 capacity through Microsoft Azure. That would be a notable shift because Microsoft has mostly used its custom silicon to power its own internal AI infrastructure. If a deal is eventually reached, Anthropic would gain another source of computing power for its training and inference needs. For now, both companies are keeping details quiet while the talks remain preliminary. Anthropic's Claude Code is previewing an upgraded /usage command designed to give developers better visibility into model spending. The upcoming tool is expected to break down token consumption by skills, agents, MCPs, and plugins. Day and week filters should make it easier to spot which automated tool or subagent triggered a spike in API fees. The useful part is attribution. Downstream token use can be tied back to the tool that caused it. The command line version is expected ahead of desktop support. For teams running autonomous coding loops, this turns token cost from a surprise into something closer to a receipt. OpenAI has officially launched ChatGPT for PowerPoint in beta. The new Office add-in lets users create and edit presentation slides directly inside PowerPoint. You can build layouts from natural language prompts, reference external documents, or rework existing deck content without leaving the app. It also handles on-slide image generation while keeping text and layouts fully editable. OpenAI says the beta is rolling out globally to most users across free, plus, pro, business, enterprise, and edu plans. The important part is distribution. ChatGPT is moving into the place where many business slides are actually made. DeepSeek has updated its official API documentation with clearer account-level concurrency limits. The DeepSeek V4 Pro model now lists a cap of 500 concurrent requests, while DeepSeek V4 Flash lists a cap of 2,500. Going over those thresholds can trigger HTTP 429 rate limit errors. DeepSeek also recommends passing a user ID parameter, so scheduling, content safety, and KV cache allocation can be isolated per user. Expanded accounts may still be rate-limited by user ID, which makes caller identity part of capacity planning. Requests that wait more than 10 minutes without starting may also be disconnected by the server. AI cloud infrastructure platform Modal has completed a $355 million Series C funding round. General Catalyst and Redpoint led the investment, pushing Modal's post-money valuation to $4.65 billion. The company says annual recurring revenue has surpassed $300 million, driven by a business that has grown fivefold since last September. Developers have already launched more than 1 billion isolated environments on the platform to run AI workloads. Modal plans to use the new capital to enhance low-latency inference, reinforcement learning loops, and the compute layer for autonomous AI agents. That is the 6-story briefing for May 22nd. Save the shorts if you want the Codex, Maia, and Claude usage updates at a glance, and I will track the follow-through tomorrow.